What's up, everybody? We're here at the Seattle Boat Show. I've got Ben Johnson here with me from Sun Country Marine Group. We've got this amazing Riviera 465 SUV. Let's go ahead and take a closer look. So this boat is finished in a meteor blue. It is a fantastic dark blue, a little bit darker than that Bentley blue next door. This boat is 2 inches wider than the boat next door, but I'd swear it feels like it's 2 feet wider with this lower cockpit. This one is definitely set up more for a fishing style use. We've got awesome pads all the way around, burn-a-wind mounts. Look at this fish box, crab box, bait well, whatever you'd like to call it. All smooth edges, keeps the bait happy. Amazing griddle top, look at that. So you could cook your breakfast out here, anything you'd like, easy cleanup, no ridges or anything to get food stuck. We've got a deep freezer over here and a refrigerator. And then in the floor, there's also a large ice box or a large fish box that goes all the way across and has drains as well. Stepping up, this boat really has a ton of outdoor living space. So there is a settee on both port and starboard sides with lots of storage underneath. You can see the hinges there where that opens up. This space is really great feeling, open to the outside, so if you're fishing, people can hang out but still watch the action. We've got similar style stainless steel doors that open on both sides, along with the window to the galley. All of these Rivieras have this C-zone system, so all of your relays and breakers are all based on that. So you can not only control them here from the control panel, but there is also a phone app that you can check on your boat or change things if you'd like. Beautiful isotherm induction cooktop with the pot holders, always needed when you're underway. Stainless steel basin sink. More refrigeration. Some of the light switches, you can see they use a really nice light switch on this. It's not just your standard. Huge windows, tons of visibility. I'd say this settee could easily hold 6 people, maybe more. Black liner all the way around here. I love this. So you get way less glare. And then also beautiful helm station. This one's got like a soft touch material here with some cush to it, kind of carbon fiber-esque. Looking to the right side, I think these details such as illuminated and labeled switches on everything is so beautiful. Makes everything way easier to run. You'll notice this boat is a flat finish walnut compared to the other one that is a high varnish, high gloss. We've got the sunroof on here as well. I think all the Rivieras have that. This is an IPS drive boat. Here we go. This is the owner's head. Actually I lied. This one's a forward owner's stateroom. So this is actually one of the guest cabins. Really cushy for a guest cabin. Here we are, another guest cabin with twins. And then the forward VIP stateroom. Owner's suite. Large mirrors. Overhead opening hatches on either side. And then here's the owner's head. So that wraps up my boat show content for today. It is day 4 here at the boat show. If you made it this far, thank you for watching.